Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is March 7, 2019. This is the home of the 2-minute price prediction as well as giving you all the news according to the charts. We're going to go ahead and look at Cardano for today. You guys can see that this currency is up 1.59%. Now the question is, where is Cardano going to go? Before I get started in that analysis, as always, understand that if this is your first time come to our channel here on YouTube and you appreciate the content that we are producing, go ahead and hit that like button. Hit that share button as well. Try to tell as many people as you know that we are giving you all the news according to the charts, the uncomplicated way, and as well saving you time because it doesn't take a lot of analysis in order to predict where prices are likely to do or cryptocurrencies are likely to do in the future. And we've been showing that ever since 2017 on this particular platform. And as always, if you do like this channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell notification so you all become notified of when we upload this vital information, that we are the only organization that is able to do it. Okay, so now looking here at the weekly chart for Cardano, you all can see here that if today was going to be the last day of the week, definitely the market in Cardano is predicting, it is showing us that the movement to the upside is still here in this particular space. Over the last couple of weeks, right now the market in Cardano continues to show us that our ascension line in this space is continuing to move this currency higher in price. Right now we are definitely still seeing that strength in the market for Cardano on the weekly chart, which is one of the main reasons why we are still seeing strength coming into the market for Cardano. Looking at it on the daily time frame though, you can tell that we might have a couple more days of some sideways consolidation. But remember, in my previous video and many other before that one, I've been telling you all that as long as Cardano trades above this ascending line that we got drawn in this chart, that strength is still being represented in the market for Cardano. And today the daily price chart is giving us the same thing. But the only thing that Cardano is having a big problem overcoming is this area right here around that 0.045 price level. That is the only thing that is hindering Cardano from moving up to higher prices. You can tell a little bit better here on the 3-hour bars that the market in Cardano cannot break the tops of these 3-hour bars. Okay, so we got to keep that in mind as we trade in the near term, that Cardano has to overcome this price level in order for us to see a continuation of higher prices. Don't expect the market to really move to the upside until we're able to overcome this resistance line. Now currently the 3-hour bars is giving us some weakness, but it's not overly oppressive to where I would be expecting a huge breakdown in this space for Cardano. As a matter of fact, as long as Cardano trades around that 0.043 price level, ultimately not breaking below 0.043, the movement to the upside is still in play for this cryptocurrency. Here we are looking at on a 1-hour bar real quick. Again, the market in Cardano is banging its head across resistance. So right now the market is not showing us any indication that it's going to break above it. So we got a little bit more we have a while of consolidation to go through, and that should give us all enough time to determine whether or not Cardano is going to be able to break above that 0.045 price level. But as of right now, on a longer time frame, going right back to the weekly chart, the strength is still being revealed in this particular market in Cardano. We just have to break that 0.045 price level as resistance. So right now my analysis is still for Cardano to move to the upside in the long term. The near term, when you look at it on the 3-hour bar, we are coming across some resistance, so it is expected to see the market move to the downside only in the near term, which is why I went ahead and identified this 0.0435 price level. Ultimately 0.043 Cardano cannot break below in order for us to see a continuation of higher prices in the near term. Okay, so my analysis is still for Cardano to move to the upside, but in the near term we will see some weakness and push this currency to the downside, and that's great as long as this currency does not break this 0.043 price. There you go. Nice and simple. We're giving you all a outline of what we're expecting Cardano to do. Give us your thoughts, give us your opinion. If you would like to have more analysis for the top 10 cryptocurrencies in this space paired against BTC, go ahead and come over to our Patreon page. We do a daily video for all of our clients there in that particular space for the top 10 cryptocurrencies. If you would just like to have overall a lot more information than what we're producing on Patreon or even on YouTube, you could go to our website, HueFinancial.com. We do got a paid plan there, $10 a month. You guys will have access that nobody else is able to get there on our website. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all later.